everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one is from the company that I PR for. This is So Cute Planner, and you can use my code PRCRI318 for 20% off. And bear with me, this is two orders, so I'm going to try not to get them mixed up because I always do that monthly kit where you get two kits, the Wacky Monthly and the monthly overview. So, but I can't help myself and I order all the time. So let's just get started. As always, 15% of your order goes to children's cancer research. So just know that she does give back and that your money is going to a awesome, beautiful place. So I'm going to put that up there so that you can read it if you want to. And then I've had it on my I have hauled that several times before, so just to let you know, if you want to go back and review some of my other videos, you're more than welcome to. This is the freebie I got. Look at that beautiful full box. And Mellow doing various things. Half box. It says family time, Christmas shopping, the Mellow in a stocking, Christmas tree, bake cookies, and then watch Christmas movies, and it has the Grinch and the Christmas Story on there. So I thought that was really cute. And then this one is from PS Sticker Company because I got this during the sale. And there's some pies and a bow and a cup of coffee. This one was from dulceplanner.com. Winner, pine cone, candy cane, hot cocoa, and gingerbread man. And it says hand-drawn stickers with 3 skin tones. This is Plain and Geek Designs. Sorry. This one is from Katie Lou's Creations. Beautiful. And then this one is from Lollipop Sticker Shop. Cute. Love that little coffee cup face. Very, very cute. All right. And then I ordered the pink foil overlays, full box overlays. Isn't that beautiful? Pull it up just a little bit so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Cannot wait to use these. So pink on those. And then the blue. Isn't that beautiful? And then I got the blue bow headers. Isn't that beautiful? Then these. Foxy doing different Christmas things. This was the PR freebie. So when you mention my name, this is one of the freebies you will get. So pretty. I have this kit too. I love it. And then I got Netflix and Chill. And it comes in 2 different sizes. And then, let's see. This was one of the Christmas kits featuring Mellow. Put that away. And here is Mellow again doing various things Christmassy. And then I love the 2 snowballs. And then this is the kit. Here are your full boxes. This is not cute. With your flags. And I love that these are 2 double boxes. And then here is your check boxes, Monday through Sunday. Check flags, hydration, habit trackers, headers, 3 heart check box, half boxes, more check flags, and functionals. This is just like a little mini kit, I believe. Then your bottom washies, your glitter headers, 2 washi strips, excuse me, your day covers, your teardrops, your weekend banner, your glitter numbers, or your glitter dates, and then your scripts. Very cute. I love it. I'm going to be using that one in my rings for sure. That's where I think that one's going to go. And then this is the kit. Really quickly, though, I had to cheat and use the monthly kit, but this is it. So this is the monthly kit for Erin Condren. And that's one full sticker, that's one full sticker, and then you can use the different stickers, sidebar, your date covers, then your header, December, which I also like the fact that there's no date or year on here, so that if you accidentally got an extra one or whatever, you can save it for next year as well. So that is the beautiful monthly kit for December. Put that to the side, and then the kits that came with it in the monthly kit is this one right here. Is that not beautiful? Look at Santa Claus. These are your full boxes with your flags, your full heart check boxes in teardrops, your flags, your sidebar and half boxes, glitter headers, bottom washies, and two washies over here. I call them washies because they're not full boxes, but you can use them for whatever. I like to use them on my sidebar. Functionals, habit trackers, and water trackers, as well as your little things. Your headers as in to do, to go, to buy, to clean. Some 3 heart check boxes and half boxes and more functionals. Your day covers, your dates, your weekend banner, your scripts, your teardrops. So cute. And then here's more functionals with canceled, rescheduled, note, $2 Tuesday, so cute planner, and mellows. And that's all in that kit. And then this kit. Isn't that beautiful? Look, I love it. Look at that bunny. So sweet. Here's your full boxes with your flags. Your full heart check boxes and teardrops. Your heart check flags, sidebar half boxes. Your bottom washi. Look at that washi. Oh my gosh. So cute. Your glitter headers. Your habit trackers and little things, and some more functionals on the side. Your headers, your 3 heart check boxes, half boxes, and more functionals on the side. Your day covers, which I'm in love with because I love snowflakes and snowmen. Weekend banner and day covers, or day dots, excuse me, scripts and teardrops. And again, functionals with mellow and the scripts on the side. So you get a lot with a kit. So go check them out. Don't forget to use my PR code. Don't forget that she does 15% of your order goes to children's cancer research. And I hope that y'all have an awesome and blessed day. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my video if you liked it. And go check So Cute Planner out. She is wonderful. I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye.